Hi, you're welcome. Today we'll learn how to create children storybooks. First step is to open ChatGPT. We will tell ChatGPT to write animal story for us, not more than 2,000 characters. After writing the story, we'll copy and we take the story to our Word, our Microsoft Word. Here we're going to save our story. Stories generated with ChatGPT will not sell on Amazon because it is an AI content. So, in order to bypass that, we're going to check for the AI content in this particular story. So, we go to the site copyleaks.com. We'll paste our story here in order to check if truly it's an AI content. So, after pasting, click on check. As you can see, it says AI content detected. If you try to sell this on Amazon, it will not be accepted. To get rid of the AI content, we will go to the site qbots.com. qbots.com, this is a site where we can we can rephrase our text on this site. So if you don't have an account, you can create an account with them using your Gmail. So we paste our text, we copy a line from our text and we paste it here and we click on paraphrase. As you can see, it will try to rephrase the text in the other column. So because we are using a free account, there is a limit to the number of text that we can paraphrase at a time. But never mind, you don't need to worry about that. All you have to do is to go back to your Word and you copy another line of your story and take it back to qbots.com to paraphrase the line. So this is what we keep doing till we are through with all the text. I will also copy this right now and take it back to qbots to paraphrase and change the construct of the text. So we keep doing this over and over till we are done rephrasing the whole story. We will click here to paste the new text we've just copied from our Microsoft Word. So right now I'll click on select all and paste the new text. Then after pasting, I'll click on paraphrase. So it will definitely rephrase this also. After rephrasing it, I'll click on copy and take it back to my Microsoft Word to save it there. And after everything, we will have to go back to our Microsoft Word and copy the whole text and take it back to copyleaks.com to check if we still have an AI content. So right now I will refresh copyleaks.com. I'll refresh. If you don't have an account with them, you can create an account with copyleaks.com. It's free. You don't have to pay any money. So I'll paste the new text that we have rephrased with qbots here and click on check. So right now I'm going to click on check. So let's wait. So this is it. It says this is human text. So right now we've gotten rid of the AI content in our story. The next thing to do is to do a plagiarism check to know if you won't have any copyright issue with this particular story, because there are some content all over the internet that people have written. Then if you copy and paste such content and you use it for yourself, you can be sued for copyright. So to check for plagiarism, we are going to use a site called duplichecker.com. We will take our text to Duplichecker. If you don't have an account with Duplichecker, you can also create one using your Gmail. We paste our text here in this box. So right now I'll paste the text. After pasting the text, we click on I am not a robot. Scroll down, then tick the box I am not a robot. After ticking the box, then you click on check plagiarism. You click on check plagiarism. So let's wait to see if the story we've written is unique and free of copyright issues. So as you can see, the result is here, and it says our story is 0% plagiarism, 100% unique. The next thing is to generate images for our story. We'll go to the site Leonardo.ai. I'll leave a link to the site in the description below. Create an account with Leonardo.ai. Click on AI image generation. After clicking on AI image generation, you can see it says number of images. You can click on 4. So we go back to our Word where we have saved our story. Then we copy a line of text from our story, and we take it back to Leonardo.ai to generate our first image. So we paste our text here. Right now, click on paste. After pasting the text, we click on generate and wait for Leonardo.ai to generate our images. So as you can see, it has generated 2 different kinds of image for our story. We save the image generated and we go back to our Word again to copy another line of text. So to generate our next picture, I'll copy this, a group of animals gathered close to a bubbling brook, and paste it here. Click on generate. So as you can see, it has generated our second picture. So we'll do this repeatedly to generate all the pictures needed for our story. After generating our pictures, we take it to Canva. This is where we do the major work. This is where we combine our picture and our story together to make a children's storybook. So click on create and you click on custom size. You can set the width to 8.25, or let's say 8.6, and the height to 11.25. I think that is the most accepted size on Amazon right now for children's storybook. So after setting the size of your storybook, then we go back to our Word to copy a line of text from our story in order to generate our first page of the story. So we open our Word and copy the first line of the story, then go back to our Canva and we click on text, click on add a little bit of body text. So click on add a little bit of body text. After clicking on that, then you can now paste your text. So I'll try to align the text with our book in order to create the first page of the storybook. After placing the text, so we go to our gallery to choose our first picture for the first page of the storybook, the picture generated with Leonardo.ai. So I will click on this and I will adjust the picture properly on the book so that it can align well with the text. So after adjusting the picture, I can actually also change the color of the page of a storybook. So let's try to change the color, or I think I'll go with something green. Okay, this is kind of okay. So after changing the color, we also change the font of our text. So you can change the font so as to make it unique and nice. And after changing the text, so I think the font is okay right now. So after getting your font right, and you make sure you align your image with the text properly. So I think our first page is ready. So next thing is to go back again to our Word and copy the second line of text. We had our image. So I'm trying to make this fast so as not to waste time on this tutorial. So I will create everything very fast, and that is it. This is the final result of a storybook. While using Leonardo.ai, you have to be very careful with your characters, and you make sure your characters are the same. So while imputing your prompt to generate your characters, you have to digest the prompt properly and you understand it so that you can generate a constant character throughout the whole storybook, something engaging. So as you can see, our storybook is ready, and you can publish this online on Amazon, anywhere you wish to sell. So we click on the arrow at the top right corner to download our storybook. So click on the arrow and we click on download. After clicking download, we need to change our file type. So we change it from PNG, we change it to PDF print, so that you can have your story together. Then we click download. So with this, we have come to the end of the tutorial. So this is just a simple step of how to make children's storybook online free of charge using AI. So I think you can monetize this. You can create several storybooks like this and you publish them on Amazon to make money. If you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe and comment. And if there's anything you want me to improve on, or any video you want me to make, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you.